Hello everyone, it's John Smedley from Teach Active. I just wanted to touch base with you all. I know it's a bit of a difficult time in education at the moment, and we've got some children in school, some children obviously having to work from home. And I just wanted to touch base with you and talk to you a little bit about how Teach Active can support you during this time. If I just take you onto the dashboard here, what you can see is obviously the active maths and active English lessons. These are fantastic for those children that you've already got in school at the moment. For your key worker children, for your vulnerable children, to make sure that we're doing the maths and the English, but also getting the children active and even perhaps taking learning outside into different areas of the school as well. Also, you can use them for remote learning. You can use them for any live lessons that you have perhaps got planned as well. We've also got the homework and the isolation, the home learning packs here, which are going to be really useful for you this half term. So first of all, if I just go on to the homework, and you'll see here, first of all, this is the landing page which your parents will come onto. There's a video from myself here explaining how it all works, as well as a homework guide. So all you need to do is simply, once you've gone onto your school's dashboard and gone onto the homework, click the homework link, copy that link and share it with your parents, whether that's on Google Classrooms, whether it's on putting it on your school website or on social media. And as parents land on this page, all they then have to do is simply choose which year group their child is in. As you know, that we cover foundation stage to year 6. Also, for example, oh, my little boy's in year 3, and then what does he need help with? Now, this might be an area that you've identified. It might be something that the parents themselves identify, or my child needs some help with money. You may want to challenge parents, maybe do 2 of these a week or 1 each day. And those parents can then choose a game and they can have a little read of the instructions, and rather than playing or doing homework, which is sedentary, actually we're doing some home learning, which is going to get the children up and about, playing a fun game, helping them to become really fluent and master these key skills in maths. And at the same time being up and about, whether that's in the home or even outside in the garden. If you don't want to send them a link because you don't think they've got internet access, if you look here in the bottom right, we've got the activity card. We can simply print the homework out. Okay, let's just go back to the dashboard and I'll share with you the other final thing that we've got. So of course, the lessons, you know how many of those we've got. We've got the homework, and then this thing that we've introduced here, the isolation packs. Once again, there's a real quick, easy link to copy and paste to parents. And as they click on that link that you're going to send with them, they will be presented with the landing page for the home learning packs. So this is great because as a parent, if I've got a child in year perhaps 4 and 6, they're in the same place. And again, this can be a place where you can print off the packs if you don't think that children have got access to the internet at home. So let's go ahead, just download one of these packs. And what we'll get here is 2 weeks worth of English and 2 weeks worth of maths lessons. So typically what we can ask the children to do is 1 maths and 1 English lesson activity. The parents will be able to get a bit of an introduction, talking about what the pack is, the activities that it covers. And then, as I mentioned, we've got then 2 weeks worth of English and maths. Really 40 maths activities that the children can do over and over again. Some of them will incorporate physical activity, but of course, there are no tedious links, so not all of them will. Lots of fun games, and the children can try doing extra activities as well. At the end of the maths activities, we then go on to the English, and here, as you would expect, we've got typical things like a reading comprehension, we've got lots of writing activities, we've got some spelling, we've got handwriting, we've got any texts that the children will need to read in order to obviously answer questions and perhaps do some of the other activities as well. And then finally, what we've got at the bottom on every single isolation pack is just some more fun activities to do at home. And what we'll be doing at Teach Active during this time is creating more and more things to help you and support you and to really support schools and teachers at this time. We've got live chat on the website. We're always available through the inquiry form. So if you've got any questions or need any support whatsoever, please do feel free to contact us. Good luck to you all, and we look forward to working with you throughout 2021.